Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. In today's video, we are diving into more productivity news. I have three applications for you today. We have capacities, which I've talked about before, but the Readwise integration. We have mymind, which they just continue to put out stuff, which is amazing for us users. The last one is Kosmik, which is the one I'm going to start off with because that's the biggest one. So let's actually go ahead and start with Kosmik. So Kosmik is now coming out of beta. So they published this, I think they sent an email as well, but they published it on Reddit. So they have been working on the application now, and since their alpha launched just a year ago, they've turned Kosmik into the best mood boarding platform and probably the best visual researching tool, at least according to themselves. They recently ranked third in best AI browser in a best AI browser article. They have a lot of cool browser stuff. You can also download their newest updates. So when are they launching? Kosmik will officially launch out of beta in December 2025. So that's around 13 days from me filming this video, probably a little less from you watching the video. So they are also giving everyone everyone that has been using the app a full year of Kosmik Pro completely for free, which is amazing. And it is a way to thank the community for the work they've been putting in and reporting bugs and talking to the team behind the application and things like that. I really like it when companies generally value their early users, because being an early user is really hard. Since the application often is buggy, things doesn't work, and there is just a lot of stuff that you will need to just see through in order to use an early stage application like this. But that is basically what they're doing. They are giving a full year of Kosmik completely free. If you signed up for Kosmik before our official launch in December, you'll automatically receive the Kosmik Pro plan at no cost for 1 full year. After that, Pro will be $11.99 or $14.99. We will get back to the pricing here because I think that is also really interesting. New users will get a 1 week free trial, and after the trial, they can subscribe to continue with full access to all features. They're working on a few things. They are working on an updated tag system with color sampling, a better inbox for the web clipper, because they have a web clipper in addition to their in-app browser, and also complete markdown import export and full universe export. Beyond these things, they are focused on bug fixes, performance improvements, and making Kosmik just generally better. You can see some of the stuff they're working on right here. This is the new or the upcoming text editor. A couple of things here. I would still want a good way to organize my universes, and I feel like a thing or two is still missing. I get that they want to get out of beta, but in my opinion, I think like some small things are still missing. Not to the point where I'm thinking that this will be unusable, because it is actually still really good, especially considering that you get 1 year for free if you already use the application. And the pricing, so light mode alert, we will jump into the pricing because this is the pricing plan, and it is more expensive than their initial pricing page showed, because or I don't know why it is, but my guess is because AI is just very, very expensive. And I think Kosmik does AI in a good way. So I would probably be willing to pay this at least yearly. I think the monthly one is a little steep, but a lot of these AI application costs around the same. $11.99, $14.99, $16.99. I've seen $20. One issue I have with Kosmik and paying like this much for these applications, and that isn't Kosmik only, it is a general issue I have, is the fact that many of these newer applications, they cost a lot because AI costs a lot, but they do not have a mobile application yet, which is super annoying. It is super annoying to pay 12 or 14 for an application that does not have a mobile app. With that being said, I think Kosmik definitely is worth the money, given everything you're getting from the application. There is also an ambassador plan. And with that, you get a dedicated Slack channel, font support, brand kit support, and Figma plugin. This is more if you are more of a like business user. You use this to design stuff. There is also feature preview and MCP, or you just want the MCP integration. But if you want to use this to like design stuff, or you're a business that need brand kits, things like that, it is much better for that. This isn't out yet. I am guessing they didn't say anything about when this will be out, if it will be out together with the Kosmik Pro. That's my guess, but I'm not sure. It might even take a little bit longer because they still probably need to build some of the things if they haven't done it already, but it is at least coming. So that is this is interesting. If you run a solo business or you're a freelancer, for example, this will probably be worth it. Kosmik Pro looks really interesting. I am excited to see how it continues to develop, but I think that it is definitely worth the money as it is today. Let us just quickly go over Readwise and mymind as well. So Readwise has had this Readwise integration, which has been super, super interesting. I've used this a lot, and I've also done a full video on it. The only difference is that it is now available for everyone. It used to be something that was only available for the ones who paid for the highest tier. So there are pricing plans here. You can either pay for Capacities Pro or Believer. If you are a Believer, you get early access to features, and that is how I got early access to this. But this is basically the new Readwise integration, and it is available for everyone. As I said, I have made a video about it, so I won't go too deep into it, but I just wanted to mention that it is for everyone, and I really like the way that they've done it. They say it here as well. The goal isn't to capture everything because you will need to tag things manually in order to get them into capacities, which is something some people might find annoying. I really love. So that is Readwise for you. The last one is mymind. So if I now write a test note just for the sake of this video, I actually have the pro plan for mymind as well. This is also one of those applications that I play around with, and I cancel my subscription, then I come back again over and over. But they've added this, so now I can actually do backlinking. So I can link a note to another note. Let me just show you how this would work. It isn't full backlinking yet, but I can't spell. Let's just back close enough. But it isn't full backlinking yet because I can't see what things are linked to, and I don't get all of the stuff you would get with backlinking. But it is actually quite close. So I can if I open, let's try to open the other one. It is still in, I think it came out like a couple of days ago, so it is still a little buggy, but I needed to make a video on this. mymind tend to fix all of the bugs. Let's see if we can find it. It doesn't seem to be able to find the new note I made. That is probably a bug, or It might actually, let's try to just reload to check that it isn't my internet. It isn't, but I can basically like do this, click the note, it opens the note. So again, clicking the note opens the note. That is basically how it works. As I mentioned, still few bugs, super interesting feature. I'm excited to see when it is like fully out. They mentioned on X that it wasn't fully out yet. Some more things are coming, and often they like put out features that aren't fully fixed or have a few minor bugs, and they don't say anything about it. Then they go ahead and they fix it. Then they announce the thing they fixed. But my mind just continues to improve and impress me every single month. They've shipped so many cool features this year. I think that covers it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching today's video.